Yeah, good evening, students. Today we'll discuss today test paper conducted on 6th July based on the chapter sequence and series. In that first question we can do easily. Now I'm going to discuss about second question. Question number 2. What is the question is given? If A comma B comma C are in AP, B C D are in GP, CD are in HP, then what is ACE will be in which progression? Okay. First of all, they given A comma B comma C are in AP. Now we know condition here clearly. Now 2B is equal to A plus C. From this B value, what will get? A plus C by 2. Similarly, they given next step B, C, D are in GP. Now, what is the condition for when three numbers are in GP? That is middle term square equal to product of first and last, BD. Here, and one more they given CD value also is there in HP. CDE are in harmonic progression. Now, for harmonic progression, when the three numbers are there in harmonic progression, we know condition here, that is D is equal to 2CE by C plus E. Generally, when A, B, C are in HP, B equal to A, C by A plus C will get. Here, but we need to find ACE will be in which progression. That means here we need the condition in terms of ACE values. Now see in this GP C square equal to B. B value already we know what is B value? A plus C by 2 into D value how much we got already? 2CE by C plus E. Now here 2 gets cancelled and one more C value also cancel. If you cross multiply, here C into C plus E, here right side what is the left here? E into A plus C. C multiply inside what will you get? C square plus CE is equal to EA plus EC or CA. EC or CE. Now CE gets cancelled. Now what will get condition? C square is equal to AE or EA. This is a condition clearly for what? GP. Therefore, A comma C comma E are in geometrical progression. That's why option B is the correct one for this question. Now, when coming to next one, now third one also you can do easily. It's a simple question. Just coming to fourth one. Question number 4. If the sum of an infinitely decreasing GP is 3, the sum of the squares of its terms is 9 by 2. The sum of cubes of the terms is how much? We need to find out. Here, sum of decreasing GP AR square, infinite GP, decreasing nothing but R value, it may be less value, decreasing manner. Now this is given, how much? 3 given. We know sum of infinite terms in GP formula, S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. Okay. Now here A is A only. What will take A by 1 minus R is equal to 3. Next, one more term. In this, you can find A value. What is A value? 3 into R minus 1 we can take. This is the one condition. Next, sum of squares of these terms. A square R square, A square R power 4, plus and so on up to infinite terms. This sum is given clearly how much? 9 by 2. Now sum of cubes. For that we need to find A value and R value. This also sum of infinite terms in GP. Here first term is A square by 1 minus R is nothing but R square is equal to how much is given? 9 by 2. Here already we know A value. What is A value? 3 into R minus 1. A square means 9 into R minus 1 whole square by This is like a square minus b square. We can write 1 plus r into 1 minus r is equal to how much will take 9 by 2. Here 9 gets cancelled. 1 r minus 1 or 1 minus r, no problem. These two terms gets cancelled, the values wise. Or if you want exact notations, we can take as it is. Okay. When it is decreasing values, we'll take, no, sorry, here, the value what here? If you cross multiply, in this case, now a is 3 into 1 minus r only. If you substitute here, 9 into 1 minus r whole square by, it is a plus b into a minus b. 1 plus r into 1 minus r is equal to 9 by 2. And 9 gets cancelled. 1 minus r terms gets cancelled. 2 cross multiply, that is 2 minus 2r is equal to 1 plus r. Interchange r value send right side, 1 send left side. 2 minus 1 is 1. Total 3r. R value how much? 1 by 3. Now we got r value 1 by 3. Next we need to find a value. To find a value, substitute in this, r value will get a value. A is equal to 3 into 1 minus 1 by 3. That is 3 into, by taking LCM, 1 minus 1 by 3, how much? 2 by 3. Here you will get the a value clearly, how much you will get? 2 you will get. By simplifying this, 3 gets cancelled. Now first term a is what? Clearly 2. Now they are asking sum of cubes of these terms, that is a cube, r cube, a cube, r power 6, plus and so on up to infinity. Here what is the first term? A cube. Same S infinity formula only. By 1 minus r is nothing but r cube. A cube, a value how much? 2. 2 cube is 8. It is 8. By 1 minus r cube, r is how much? R already we got 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 whole cube is 1 by 27. Now here 8 by 27 is LCM, that is 27 minus 1, 26. And this 27 will comes to where? Numerator. Here from this, any simplification is possible? Yes, it is possible. Now we can cancel with 2 4s are and 2 13s are. Now 4 into 28, that is clearly how much? 108 divided by 13. Clearly it is the option B is the correct one. Next, coming to 5 also we can do easily. Coming to question number 6. 3 numbers whose sum is 15 are in AP. Okay, 3 numbers I am taking, that is a minus d, a plus d. Though sum is given, sum how much is given? 15 is given. Sum means by adding this all 3 terms, a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 15. Here dd gets cancelled. 3a equal to 15. A value is 5 we got. Okay. If they are added by the numbers 1, 4, 19 respectively, they are in GP, then that numbers we need to find out. Okay, this is the actual data. Now we are adding for this a minus d, a and a plus d. We are adding now adding the numbers. What? For a minus d we are adding 1. For a we are adding 4. And for last term we are adding 19. A plus d plus 19. Now these 3 numbers are in GP. Finally, we need to find these 3 terms. To find these 3 terms, we need a value and d value. Now, when these 3 numbers are in GP, we know a, b, c are in GP. We know b square equal to a into c. Here, what is b? Nothing but a plus 4 whole square equal to a minus d plus 1 into a plus d plus 19. Already we know the value of a. What is a value? Clearly, a value is clearly what? 5. Now 5 plus 4, that is 9 square. Here a value 5. 5 plus 1, 6 minus D into next value, A value 5 plus 19, that is clearly 19, this is 19 plus 5, that is 24 plus D. Now here this is clearly 81 is equal to 6 into 24, we can take 4, that is a total 12 plus 2, that is 14, 144, my plus 6D minus 24D, total minus 18D will get minus D square. Now send D square left side, D square minus 18D becomes plus 18D. Send 144 this side, 81 minus 84 is clearly 83 equal to 0. So not 83 is exactly 63 something will get. Okay, not. It is clearly 63 will get. This is 18D minus 18D minus 63. Now what is the 63 factors? Clearly we can consider that, because now what you will take values, 18D we need to get here values. Now if you take 21 threes are nothing but it is 63. In these factors are D square plus 21D minus 3D minus 63 equal to 0. By factorizing this, we will get D values. First two terms take D common, remaining D plus 21 minus 3 common, that is D plus 21 equal to 0. By simplifying from this, D values are 3 and minus 21 we will get. Now based on this, we will get two set of numbers. What are those numbers? We are taking A minus D, A plus D. These three numbers we need to find. A value fixed already. If D is 3, A value already what? 5. 5 minus 3, that is 2, comma A value 5, A plus D, 5 plus 3 how much? 8. If D value is minus 21, then what will happen? A minus D first, 5 minus or minus plus, 5 plus 21, 26. Next to A value 5 and A plus D, 5 minus 21, that is clearly minus 16 you will get. Now in which option these terms are existed? That is C option. So C option is correct. Those numbers are 25D or 26, 5 minus 16D. Okay, next coming to question number 8. Even 7th also we can do easily. Already that is same model of question number 2. Now 2 is the first question model only, you can do easily. Now coming to 8th question, the question number 8. The question number 8, common difference of AP. That AP sequence is given B1, B2, B3 and so on Bn is 2 more than common difference of same AP, another sequence is given. Now here another sequence is what? A1, A2, A3 and so on. This also both are in AP only, but the common difference of B1, B2 and so on Bn is more than 2 more than of common difference of second sequence. That sequence is A1 up to An. They given already few terms, that is A40. How much is given? Minus 159. Next they given A100 also. A100 also they given how much? That is minus 399. B100 equal to A70. Then what is B1 value? We need to find out in this case. Now what is the general term in AP? A plus N minus 1 into D. Here what is A value in this sequence? A1. That's why this is A1, N minus 1, 40 minus 1, 39. We'll take D here. That is minus 159. A100 means here same A1 plus 99 D is equal to minus 399. Now this is taken as equation number 1. We need to know A1 and D value. This is equation number 2. Now by subtracting 1 and 2, A1 gets cancelled. 39D minus 99D. From 39D, if you remove 99D, how much you will get? 60D you will get. And from 159, 399 is a negative, and this 159 if you remove 0, 9 minus 5, that is 4, 3 minus 1, that is clearly 2. Total this value how much you will get? 240 plus 240 only will get, because first equation minus second equation we are doing. That's why it is clear how much you will get? 240 will get. In this 240, now value wise, by subtracting here 39D minus 99D, how much will get here? Minus 60D, but here right side value positive will get. By dividing with minus 60, this is how much? Clearly minus 4 you will get. Now you immediately find out A1 value. Now from first equation, how to find A1? A1 39 into minus 4 is equal to minus 159. Here A1 39 into 4, that is minus 9 4s are 36, that is 6, 12 plus 3 15 is equal to minus 159. From this A1 value clear how much? Minus 3. They given the next sequence B1 comma B2 comma B3 and so on Bn having more than 2 common difference. That's why for B1, B2 and so on, this for this common difference becomes what here? Minus 4, more than minus actual common difference of first A1, A2 and so on, An is minus 4. It is more than 2, that's why minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2 is the common difference of this sequence. Okay, now they given one more statement. What is the condition is given? That condition is B100 is equal to A70. A70 from A1, A2 and so on, An sequence. B100 is from first sequence, what you are taking. Now here, what is the first term? B1, N is same 99 into D, we know already. D is this minus 2 we need to use. Here A1 plus 70 minus 1, 69 into D. Now B1 only we need to find out. 99 into, here the common difference is minus 2. A1 is clear how much we got already? Minus 3. 69 into, for the A1, A2 and so on, what is the common difference? Minus 4. Here B1 into 99 into minus 2, clearly how much will get? 198. Okay. Now if getting 198 value is equal to minus 3 minus this total how much will get? Minus 276 will get. Now B1 is equal to send minus 198 right side plus minus 279. Now this value gives, if you subtract these two values, you'll get clear how much? Minus 81. This is option C is the correct one. Next, question number 9 also we'll discuss now. Question number 9, what? If 3 power 2 sin 2 alpha minus 1 comma 14 3 power 4 2 sin 2 alpha are first 3 terms of an AP for some alpha, then 6th term of AP we need to find out. These 3 values are like ABC are in, there belongs to arithmetic progression. We know condition 2 into B, 2 into 14 is equal to A plus C. Three power 4 minus 2 sin 2 alpha. Okay, here this is clearly how much? 28. Here this I can write 3 power 2 sin 2 alpha divided by 3. Divided by 3 we can take. And one more value. This is 3 power 4, we can take 81. 3 power minus means we can take 3 power 2 sin 2 alpha. For easy purpose, I am taking put 3 power 2 sin 2 alpha, I will take some y. Now here 28 is equal to y by 3 plus 81 by y. Now by taking LCM in the leftmost side, what is LCM here? Clearly LCM is 3y. That is 28 is equal to y square plus 81 3s are. It's clearly 243 divided by 3y. Okay, now by solving this, you'll get one of the values here in this case. Now here cross multiply 3y, take left side. Now remaining y square plus 243 is equal to 28 3s are. Clearly you'll get how much here? Now the value is how much you'll get here, exactly minus 84y you will get. Now that is 84y. Send this left side, y square minus 84y plus 243 is equal to 0. By factorizing this, 243 will get what? 81 3s are, we know already. This we can make factors, y minus 81 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. Sum will get 84 and the product if you multiply you will get 240. That's why the y values are two set of values, that is y is equal to 81 and 3. Now when y value 81, what is y? We know already. When y value 81, what is y? Nothing but 3 power 2 sine 2 alpha is equal to 81. We can write 3 power 4. Now bases are same, we can compare powers, but when comparing powers, what will get? 2 sine 2 alpha is equal to 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. But here sine 2 alpha is equal to 2, but this is not in the range. Sine function range is -1 to +1. That's why it is no solution for this term. Next, y value how much is given? 3. Now that is 3 power 2 sine 2 alpha is equal to 3. Power how much? 1. Here by comparing these terms, values wise, now 3 power 2 sine 2 alpha is equal to 3 you will get. By comparing powers, what you will get? 2 sine 2 alpha is equal to 1. Sine 2 alpha is equal to 1 by 2. 2 alpha is equal to, because sine 2 alpha values wise what you are taking. Now sine 1 by 2 at which angle? Pi by 6. That means 30 degrees. From this alpha value how much you will get? Pi by 12 you will get. Now alpha clearly we got now the term. So what they're asking here, A6 we need to find out. Alpha we got, now we need to find out common difference. Now for that, what is the first term in that case? Clearly like this much you will get. What is the first term in that? That is a value 3 power 2 sine alpha. In whole power you will get, that is -1. This we can take easily in the easy manner. Now we will take values wise. Here 3 power 2 sine 2 alpha, how much already we know? 1. That's why it is 1 minus 1. 3 power 0, that's why a value clearly 1 we got. Next we need common difference. First term is 1, second term already 14 is there. That's why D we can do easily, that is 14 minus 1, 13. What they're asking? Sixth term, A6 we need to find out. That is A plus 6 minus 1, 5D. Now as for that, A value 1, 5 into 13, that is 65. Total how much value? 66. That is option A is the correct one. Now 10th one you can do easily. Next coming to 11th one. The 11th one, they given f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. And they given next summation of x is equal to 1 to infinity, f of x is equal to 2, where x and y both are natural numbers. Then value of f of 4 by f of 2, they're asking ratio between those two terms. Now, for example, if, because initial value I don't know, I'll assume this value f of 1 is some k, I'll take some constant. when f of 1 is k, f of 2 I can write f of 1 plus 1. F of x plus y nothing but what? F of x into f of y. Here f of 1 into f of 1 will get. That is total how much will get? K square. Similarly, f of 3 I can take. F of 3 I can write f of 2 plus f of 1. That is f of 2 into f of 1. F of 2 k square, f of 1 is k, total k cube. Like this, you can take any number of terms, no issue in that. Now coming to in this sequence, summation x is equal to 1 to infinity, f of x is equal to 2. Substituting x value 1 to up to infinity, what will you get? F of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 plus and so on up to infinity. This how much will get? 2 already given. F of 1 nothing but k square, k cube plus and so on infinity. Now it is clear in GP, sum of infinite terms in GP. Now what is the formula? A by 1 minus R. A is nothing but k, R also k is equal to 2. From this I can find out k value, cross multiply. K is equal to 2 minus 2k. Send minus 2k this side. Now what will you get? 3k is equal to 2. And k is equal to how much? 2 by 3. Now k value nothing but we know. Okay, now they're asking which one? F of 4 divided by f of 2. F of 4 nothing but f of 3 we got k cube. F of 4 means k power 4. F of 2 k square. K power 4 by k square, that is k square. Now k we know already, k square means how much you'll get? 4 by 9. 4 by 9 nothing but D option is the correct one. Next, coming to question number 12. 12th question. If the sum of second, third, fourth terms of positive term JP is 3. Sum of second, generally series GP sequence A, AR, AR square and so on will take. In that second term, sum of second term, that is AR. Second, third nothing but AR square. Fourth term is AR cube. This sum is given how much? 3. In this I can take common AR, remaining 1 plus R square is equal to 3. Take it as equation 1. Next, one more is given, sum of sixth term. Sixth term nothing but A R power 5. Because A into R power n minus 1 is the formula. Seventh term, A R power 6. Eighth term, A R power 7 is equal to how much is given? Sum is 243. In this I can take common A R power 5, I can take common, remaining again 1 plus R square is equal to 243. Now to find the R value first, I will divide equation 1 by equation 2. Which term gets cancelled? A gets cancelled and 1 plus R square also cancel. R power 5 by R is the remaining left is equal to what? 243 by 3. R power 5 by R is R power 4. 243 by 3, how much will get? 81. This 81 we can write 3 power 4. From this we'll get R value clearly how much? 3. Okay, R value 3. Okay, next we need to find A value. Now from first equation, A into 3, 1 plus 3 plus 3 square is 9 is equal to 3. This 3 gets cancelled. A into this is how much? 13. That is A is equal to 1 by 13. Here what they're asking, then the sum of first 50 terms of an GP they're asking. Sum of 50 terms of GP. We know Sn formula, sum of n terms. A into R power n minus R is greater than 1, that's why by R minus 1. Here I n value clearly 50. A value already we got 1 by 13. R value 3, power n value 50 minus 1 by r value, how much? 3 minus 1, that is 2. Total answer is what? 3 power 50 minus 1 by 13 to the 26. It's clearly which option? Option B is the correct one. Next, coming to question number 13. Is a little bit lengthy only. It's a J previous model. Let alpha, beta are roots of alpha, beta are roots. Roots of which equation? X square minus 3x plus b equal to 0. With this quadratic equation, we know sum of the roots, that is minus b by a, b nothing but minus 3, a value 1 only. Product of roots, alpha, beta, c by a, p by a value 1 only. Next, we need alpha minus beta also, find it here only. How to find alpha minus beta? Square root of alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. A minus b equal to root of a plus b whole square minus 4ab. A value alpha plus beta is 3. 3 square is 9 minus 4p. Next, they given gamma and delta are roots of some another equation. Roots of which equation? X square minus 6x plus q equal to 0. Same, gamma plus delta. Sum is clearly 6. Product gamma into delta, that is q. Gamma minus delta. Same formula. Gamma plus delta whole square minus 4 gamma delta. 6 square 36 minus q square. Here why I am taking, they're asking the value wise. We need to find ratio between 2q plus p and 2q minus p. And when we need to find this value, when alpha, beta, gamma, delta are in GP. GP, we know the common, the ratio, the conjugated, the ratio between conjugate terms is equal. That means I'm taking beta by alpha is equal to second term by first term. Next I'm taking similarly is equal to same these two terms also. Delta by gamma. Now if you reverse this also, what will get? Alpha by beta equal to gamma by delta. Now I am applying a componendo and a dividendo rule. Or dividendo and componendo rule. What is the rule? This A by B is equal to C by D. Like this is there, we can write either A plus B by A minus B or A minus B by A plus B we can take condition wise. Now I am taking the condition wise what here? A minus minus A minus B by A plus B is equal to C minus D by C plus D. The magnitude values. Same thing I am doing here. That is alpha minus beta by alpha plus beta, gamma minus delta by gamma plus delta. Alpha minus beta already we know that is square root of 9 minus 4p. 9 minus 4p. Alpha plus beta clearly 3. Gamma minus delta we got already square root of 36 minus q square by gamma plus delta is 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Now squaring on both sides. So root and square gets cancelled. 9 minus 4p is equal to 36 minus here 4q. I did a small correction here. Same 4 gamma delta na. Here you will get value wise it's 4q only. So here also change as it is like that only. So here this is how much you get 4q. 36 minus 4q divided by 2 square is 4. Cross multiplication. 36 minus 16p is equal to 36 minus 4q. 36 cancel. In next step, minus cancel. 4 ones are 4 4s are. Finally, q value how much? 4p. Now they're asking which value? They're asking the value of 2q plus p. 2q plus p divided by ratio means by dividing we can take 2q minus p. 2 into p, q value how much? 4p. Already in terms of p we got 2 into 4, that is 8. 8p plus p by 8p minus p. Numerator is 9p by 7p. pp cancel. What is the ratio? It is 9 by 7. 9 by 7 means which option? Option B is the correct one. Next, coming to question number 14. Question number 14, the sum of first 3 terms of a GP is S and their product is 27. Now I will take the first 3 terms. A by R, A, AR. Their sum is given. How much given? Sum A by R, A plus AR is equal to S. If you take A is common from this, A common first 1. Next AR, if you take common R, next 1 by R is equal to S. Their product, if you multiply these 3 terms, A by R, A, AR, their product how much is given? 27 is given. Here RR gets cancelled. A cube is equal to 3 cube. A is equal to how much? 3. Now this S, the value we need to find where such S lies in this. It is actually clear a function. Now S will becomes what? S is equal to A is 3 into 1 plus X not nothing but R only. R plus 1 by R. When you take a function in the form of f of x, when the function in the form of f of x, now it's a short form is there. Now the range of f of x is equal to x plus 1 by x is f of x belongs to the term wise we are taking means the actual value will comes. This is minus infinity comma minus 2 close interval union 2 comma infinity. Here we can simplify, still it is easy. 3 into 3 multiply inside. Plus 3 into what we can take? R plus 1 by R. This will comes in functions. When the function is there in this form, then the range of that function is always fixed, minus infinity comma minus 2 union 2 to infinity. But we have function in the form of not only x plus 1 by x form, 3 into again plus 3 is there. That's why if you multiply for this 3, what you will get? Same S also belongs to, first multiply with 3, what will get value? Later we can take 1 by 1. First you will multiply with 3. First if you multiply with 3, what will get here? Term 3 into f of x. What will you get? It is belongs to minus 6 union 6 comma infinity. Now we need to add 3 for this. 3 into 3 f of x. Add 3 for this. For infinity we are adding also no use. Minus 6 plus 3, that is minus 3 union 6 plus 3, that is 9 comma infinity. 3 plus 3 f of x. F of x nothing but x plus 1 by x. Na? That's why same manner for s also, similar form. S is belongs to open interval minus infinity comma minus 3 close interval union 9 comma infinity. Clearly it is a option C is the correct one. Now remaining we can do easily. And coming to 16, 17 are very easy models. 18, 19. I will do for 20th question. Last model. 20. ABC are distinct real numbers are in GB. That's why B square is equal to AC. And next they given A plus B plus C is equal to XB. Here when B square equal to AC means AC compulsory positive, because square root of negative is not a real part, and B square also positive already. Okay. Now send this B value right side. They're asking what X value. X cannot be. Which X value is not satisfying this condition? A plus C is equal to, by sending B that side, minus B. A plus C is equal to, take B common, X minus 1. Now to take B square, for that I am taking squaring on both sides. It is A plus B whole square. A square plus C square plus 2AC is equal to B square into X minus 1. Now from these terms, here A square plus C square 2, what is AC? Nothing but B square only. Now that is B square is equal to B square into X minus 1. This 2B square also send that side. A square C square is equal to, now this is whole square, sorry. Now if you send this side, right side, what will get? By taking B square is common, what will get? X minus 1 whole square plus 2 becomes minus 2. If you simplify this, B square into X square plus 1 minus 2X minus 2. Now in this, B square into this will becomes X square minus 2X minus 1. Now here left side, what is there? A square plus C square. Clearly here the terms A square, C square, B square all are positive. That's why when A square, C square plus C square is positive, this right side term compulsory positive, because left side sum of two positive numbers again a positive only will get. But right side B square is clearly what? Positive. But what about X square minus 2X minus 1? For what value of X it becomes negative, but actually we need positive. Now for example, by verification, I will take X value 2 in that expression. What is expression? X square minus 2X minus 1. If this term is positive, if you got, then it will be satisfied. In case this value, if you got negative, here B square positive into negative, it becomes a negative value. Okay. Now substitute X value 2 in this, 2 square 4, 2 into 2, that's 4 again minus 1, 4 cancel minus. That's why X cannot be 2. That's why option D is the correct one. Now remaining problems you try to solve it. Thank you.